Well, good afternoon, everybody. Happy Friday, happy International Yoga Day, and happy summer solstice. So I have my mat back here. I'm just in a local park near my house, and I wanted to do a quick rundown and review of what a sun salutation is, just your basic garden variety sun salutation, so that if you are in my Tuesday night class, Thursday afternoon class, and you pinky promised me that you would be doing one, I've got your back. I've got you covered. So um, follow me to the mat. Inhale, arms upward, and then exhale, forward fold. Hands all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back like a diving board. And then exhale, your hands down and your feet back into a plank position. Walk your toes forward, and then slowly with your elbows in, come down onto the mat. Inhale up into cobra, and then tuck your toes, and exhale back into plank, and raise the hips up into down dog. Stay here for a couple of breaths. And then after your last exhale, look up at your hands and either step, walk, or hop to the front of the mat. And then inhale all the way back up and exhale back into your basic mountain pose. That's beautiful. So let's do that just one more time together. Of course you want to do that. So inhale up for me. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands down. Step back into plank, or you can jump back if you want. Rock up on the toes, elbows in, come down to cobra, down to chaturanga, and then up into cobra. Tuck your toes, plank, down dog. And then walk out to the front. Inhale up and exhale. So thank you for joining me. I hope this was great. Do this a few more times if you'd like to. I mean, it is International Yoga Day. And if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up down below. Share it with your friends. Let them know what you did, so forth and so on. And I'll talk to you later. Bye, y'all.